Hello friends, welcome to our Vastu Remedy channel. Today we are going to learn about toilet facing, and if there is a toilet present in wrong direction, what are the remedies used for that. Before that, you can get our Vastu related videos both in English and Hindi language. We flush all negative viruses and waste from our body into toilet. So according to astrology, toilet is also considered as Rahu. Now let's learn while using toilet according to Vastu which direction should we face. We should never face on east direction as sun god is represented in east direction. It is considered as an insult of sun god and you will never get attributes related to it. You should also not face in west direction as you show your back towards Surya Graha. Now remaining north and south direction which are considered as best according to Vastu. As we discussed in our previous video, your toilet should always be in middle of south and southwest direction or west or northwest direction as it is considered as best according to Vastu. But if your toilet is in other direction, now let's learn about the effects which it creates. If your toilet is in north direction, then it decreases or brings a loss in your business, career, job, and it never gives an opportunity to become successful. If your toilet is in northeast direction, then it never gives a clarity in what you have to do in future, what are the goals. It also becomes the reason of health issues and depression. If your toilet is placed in east direction, then it breaks the social connectivity and social status of your life. It brings an unhappiness in your family. In southeast direction, it brings a financial problem in your life. It breaks your self-confidence because the planet here is Shukra planet and Lord Lakshmi stays here. If your toilet is placed in south direction, then it brings Mangal related problems. It never gives you a name and fame and your company brand starts decreasing. Toilet in southwest direction starts rotting a relationship between your family and friends and it never lets money store in your home. Toilet in west direction never lets your wish fulfill and you cannot gain any knowledge easily. Toilet in northwest direction never gives you any support system and you'll face many losses in your job or career. Now let's learn about remedy. Photos given below tell you which direction, which type of metal and which color of tape is required to block harmful and negative energies from toilet. After blocking your toilet, you need a toilet protector which contains continuous flow of positive energy in those directions so that you do not get any effects of it. If you require any toilet related remedy, then you can WhatsApp in the number given below. After inquiry, we'll reply as soon as possible. If you like to check the Vastu of your home, then you can send the house plan of your home in the WhatsApp number given below. After correction, we'll reply in WhatsApp as soon as possible. Thanks for watching my video. Do like and share, and if you have any doubt, then do comment on the video given below. Do subscribe our channel so that you do not miss any Vastu related remedy.